And now for the last important tip, the llama spitting tip. We are going to be spitting French today because if your French word ends in either E, ES, ENT when it's the verb, you're not going to hear them. They are silent. But the important bit is for your prononciation, to get good pronunciation, is to spit out the letter that is directly before these combinations. So the letter that comes before the E, the letter that comes before the ES, or the letter that comes before the silent ENT when we're talking about verbs. You are going to spit out that letter that comes before, like a llama. For example, to say everybody in French, you say all the world. Tout le monde. Monde. So world is spelt M-O-N-D-E. The E at the end of the word is silent, but we have to say the D clearly. Tout le monde. Exaggerate it, because otherwise people often say tout le monde. It's a bit like saying all the world. No, it's all the world, and this is tout le monde. Nobody or a person. So many people say personne. Like, are you a person? A what? It's personne with the clearest N. Spit it out. Personne, personne, personne. We've had that word for tall, big, grand. So the first one ends with a D. D is not in Frolic Barbecue. It's pronounced grand. But the feminine version has an E afterwards. So now we have to spit out that D. Grande. And the feminine plural has a silent ES at the end. We spit out the D that comes before. Grande. Grande. Small or little. The first one ends with a T. T is not in Frolic Barbecue. Silent. Petit. Petit. The feminine version has an E. Now you spit out that T. Petite. Petite. And the next one too. Petite. The feminine plural version. Petite. Party. Celebration or celebrations. Fête. Fête. Spit out the T. Fête. If you're using it as a verb, they party, they celebrate. That ENT is silent, and it's one of the most annoying rules, and I'm sorry, I cannot change it. I would if I could, believe me. Il fête. Il fête. They sell. Again, that ENT is silent, but we are going to be spitting out the D. Ils vendent. Il, don't pronounce that S because that ain't in Frolic Barbecue, and there's no vowel there. Coming next. Ils vendent. Ils vendent. If a word ends in E, ES or silent ENT, spit out the letter before loud and clear.